Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how subscription feature works in Husky. So you just need to log in at the admin panel and traverse the path, profile icon, admin dashboard, side menu, configure section, click on subscriptions. So here you will add the subscription plans that project owners and freelancers will buy. So we will be clicking on the add plan button. Suppose I'm creating the subscription plan for PO and freelancer. Subscription amount, suppose I am creating 500 rupees for 30 days. So I can select both for this subscription plan for both for freelancer as well as project owner, or I can select only project owner or only freelancer. So I am selecting both. So as soon as I will be clicking on the freelancer checkbox, there will be a field for commission amount from freelancer. So admin can take as much amount as he wants from the freelancer when any project owner pays the payment for any milestone of the project for the project. So I'm writing the description. Just I am clicking on the save button and this subscription will be added. In the same way, I can inactive the subscription plan anytime. By doing this, by deactivating this, it will not be shown to project owner and freelancer. Anytime I can edit the milestone, and anytime I can delete the subscription. Anytime I can edit the subscription. So just if I'll click on this edit button, so I can edit the name, I can edit the description, I can change if I want to uncheck or check the project on a checkbox. I cannot change the amount for the subscription, I cannot change the amount, number of days for the subscription, as well as the user type freelancer if I have once given freelancer as a user type in the subscription plan. So in this way we can edit the subscription plan. So now I am logging into the freelancer plan panel. Until and unless freelancer buys the subscription, if admin makes any subscription plan, then he will be restricted from placing a bid. For example, if I click on this project and if I click on place a bid button or send quotation button, so an error message will be thrown that you need to buy a subscription plan in order to place a bid. So for this I need to traverse the path, profile icon, settings, and click on subscriptions button here in the freelancer panel. So I can see that freelancer hasn't bought any plan. I can click on the change plan button. I can click on this, I can look all the subscription plans that has been made by the admin, and I can click any of the subscription plan that I want to buy. I can see the name of the subscription, description of the subscription plan, the amount for the subscription, and the number of the days the subscription will be going. So I'll pick, if I click on continue button, I can see the amount to be paid is rupees 500 and I can select the payment method. I'll be proceeding ahead and I'll be making the payment. After making the payment, it will show us here that I have selected this plan and the next billing date for this plan is 25 October. That is, today is 25 September, so after 30 days the plan will get expired. Once the plan expires, again the freelancer will not be able to place a bid on the project until and unless he buys the subscription, if the subscription plan has been made by the admin. In the same way, I'll be logging with the project owner, and if I'll be posting a project and there is a subscription plan met by the admin. So I'll not be able to post a project until and unless I buy the subscription plan. So an error message will be thrown that you need to buy a subscription plan in order to post a project. So in the same way, I'll be traversing the path: profile icon, settings, side menu, subscriptions. So I can see this project owner hasn't bought any subscription plan. So I'll be clicking on change plan button and I can see what all plans has been met by the admin. I can click on this plan and I can make the payment. So I am able to see that I buy this plan and the next billing date of the plan is 25 October. In the same way, if the plan gets expired, so again the project owner will be restricted from posting the project until and unless project owner buys the subscription plan, if the subscription plan exists or has been made from the admin. So now I'll be able to post a project as a project owner since I have bought this subscription plan. So I'm able to post a project now. So error message thrown was I was using the personal information there. That's why I was not able to upload there, not able to post a project. So I'm again posting the project and I'm clicking on the post project button and I will be able to successfully post the project. In the same way, I can bid on the project and I'll be able to successfully bid on any project now since I have able to bid on this project as well. Suppose freelancer and project owner wants to change the subscription plan if any other plan is going on. Suppose this plan is going on and he wants to change any other plan. He wants to buy any other plan. So I can see that another subscription plan has been made by the admin, that is silver, for 300 rupees and 180 days. Earlier subscription plan was this one that the freelancer buy of 500 rupees and for 30 days. So I can choose or I can change the plan anytime I want as a freelancer and as a project owner. So I'll be just clicking on this plan and just clicking on the continue button. So the earlier plan was of 500 rupees and the new plan is of 300 rupees. That is, the difference is there of 200 rupees. So where we have made the thing like there will be credits for this freelancer. So, and the plan will go for 180 days. Suppose if I will be clicking on the continue button and if I will be again proceeding the button, so it will be saying success and the plan will get changed. If the money will be less, so and the next billing date is of according to March 24 2021, that is 180 days from today, that is from September 25 2020. And I can see that in the project owner and I can see that it will be used as a credits for this freelancer, that is Shubham.Bodwani. So I can see the earlier plan the freelancer selected was of 500 rupees and the freelancer changed the plan to 300 rupees. So 200 rupees gets adjusted here. Again, in the same way, if I am changing the plan again to 500 rupees, so if I click on this and if I am proceeding ahead, so it will get changed since the credits was there of 200 rupees of this freelancer. Now if I will be saying again, this credits will get 0 because I have again bought the plan of the same amount. In this way, the subscription credit gets adjusted for both project owner as well as freelancer. And if freelancer buys the subscription plan, what all percentage admin sets for the freelancer to deduct the commission, it will deduct on the basis of that. If freelancer doesn't buy the subscription plan and there will be no subscription on the dashboard or on the panel, then system level commission will be used. This is all about the feature. Thank you everyone.